Hey, what's up, everybody? We're gonna do Muse today. We're gonna learn a song called Hysteria. It's bugging me, grating me, and twisting me around. Yeah, I'm endlessly caving in and turning inside out. So he's got a really trippy voice. He goes into the falsetto, so good luck with that. And then this is the chorus. 'Cause I want it now, I want it now. Give me your heart and your soul. 'Cause I'm breaking out, I'm breaking out. Last chance to lose control. So those are just the chords if you want to play this song. We're putting up a new tutorial every single day. Please go ahead and subscribe or follow. I really appreciate it. Have a good one.